Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. Before starting our video, subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. Here are some stylish pet door ideas for you. Pet doors have come a long way over the years, with options available to suit most wall doors and window types. And in range of designs and styles, pet owners of today are really spoiled for choice when it comes to doggy doors, cat doors. To put it, we are rounded up a selection of creativity and totally adorable dog doors and cat door ideas to inspire and delight. A simply yet classic style dog doors by Winnie a Design. Dog door installed in laundry and mudroom doors are great, especially if your dog like to bring a lot of dirt and grime into the house with him, as they are so much easier to clean than soft living spaces. They make great dual purpose dog rooms and dog washroom as well. Another simply yet stunning pet door insta above the million guided planning and designs. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. They have both taken a standard doors and added a miniature lockable internal door with trim to match the interior design and decor. Such a great idea. Not only do they add an element of security, but they also allow the owner to control when their fur babes have access to the outdoors. Coincidentally, both pet doors have been installed into walls rather than doors, as was typically the tradition. We love it. The dog doors are lies in wonderful vibes. Anyone. Simple and seamless matching trim colors goes a long way to creating perfectly integrated pet doors. Sometimes pet doors can get a bit mucky, but what better way to conceal them than in cabinetry? Such a neat idea. It also means they are not immediately obvious to visitor and can be hidden away at a pinch. Subscribe my channel, like, comment and share my video with your family and friends. And thanks for watching my video.